Want to deactivate your Facebook account in just a few simple taps? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap the menu button at the bottom right corner, or the top right depending on your device. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. From here, tap on See More in Account Center. This will take you to all your account management options. Next, scroll down and tap on Manage Accounts. You'll now see a list of accounts linked to your profile. Select your Facebook account, then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Deactivate Account and press Continue to proceed. Now simply follow the on-screen steps, enter your password when asked, and confirm the deactivation. And that's it, your account will now be temporarily deactivated. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.